Hello everyone, myself Neha Singh. Today will be discuss on positive thinking. What does positive thinking mean? Positive thinking is a mental and emotional attitude that focuses on the bright side of life and expects positive result. A positive person anticipates happiness, health, success and believe he can overcome any obstacle and difficult. Positive thinking is not accepted by everyone. Some consider it as nonsense and scoff at people of who follow it. But there is a growing number of people who accept positive thinking as fact and believe in its effectiveness. To use it in your life, you need more than just you to be aware of its existence. You need to adopt the attitude of positive thinking in everything you do. With a positive attitude, we experience pleasant and happy feelings. This brings brightness of your eyes, more energy and happiness. Our whole being broadcasts happiness and success. Even our health is affected in a beneficial way. Positive and negative thinking are contagious. We affect and are affected by the people we meet in one way or other. This happiness instinctively and on a subconscious level through words, thoughts, and feeling, and through body language. Positive thinking helps with stress management and can even improve your health. Positive thinking increase lifespan. It decreases rates of depression, lower level of distress. Positive thinking leads a man to success. One who thinks that he can achieve these things will put it best of to achieve will not find any problems in the path of success, and one day he will be win positively self confidence. Determination, preservations, and hard work are key to success. Dedication, devotions to task and positive thinking with determination have been important factor of success. Life is a battle. One has to fight it fearlessly, fight with confidence, positive attitude, with determinants and concentrated efforts lead to surest path of success. Your biggest asset is your enthusiasm that enrich your positive thinking. One who always thinks positively, even in adverse circumstances, wins. Positive thinking is practice of focusing on the good in any given situations. It can have a big impact of on your physical and mental health. It simply means you approach the goods and the bad in your life with expectations that things will be go well. 11 benefits of positive thinking. Remember, positive thinking is thinking that is inherently beneficial. This is what makes it positive in the first place. You have already seen the big pictures view of their three primary benefits. Positive thinking helps you achieve something you want, help you feel good, and it is useful and immediately improves your life in some way. However, you can dig down deeper to identify more specific benefits that are also worth appreciating. With this in mind, here are 11 benefits of thinking more positively. First one, a more worthwhile life. The more, the more you add positive value to your life with positive thinking, the more worthwhile life is for you. Second one, greater confidence. The more you believe you can achieve things, a common form of positive thinking, the more self confidence you have. Third one, higher self esteem. The more value you see in yourself with positive thinking, the higher your sense of self worth. Fourth one, more happiness and enjoyment. The more positive values that you see in life, the happier you can become and the more you enjoy life. Fifth one is feeling stronger. As your confidence and self esteem increase due to positive thinking, you also feel stronger and more powerful. Sixth one, more energy. Positive thinking often motivates and energizes you to achieve things. 7 1, more peace of mind. The better you feel overall with positive thinking, the more peace of mind you have. Next, more success. Having more energy, more self esteem, and more self confidence lead to more success. Next, more enjoyable interactions with others. The more you enjoy life and values yourself, the more you tend to enjoy social interactions. Next, better sleep and health. More peaceful positive emotions equal to less stressful negative emotions that can take a physical toll of your body. The result is you enjoy the health benefits of positive thinking, including better quality of sleep. Next, greater clarity of mind. Since you have a choice, it makes sense to think in valid, acceptable, positive ways that benefit you rather than in negative ways that hurt you. This is benefit of positive thinking well worth considering. How to develop positive thinking? First one, start the day with a positive affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Talk to yourself in the mirror, even if you feel silly, with a statement like today will be a good day or I am going to be awesome today. You will be amazed how much your day improves. Second one, focus on the good things, however small. Almost invariably, you are going to encounter obstacles throughout the day. There is no, no such things as a perfect day. When you encounter such a challenge, focus on the benefits, no matter how slight or unimportant they seem. For example, if you get stuck in traffic, think about how you now have time to listen to the rest of your favorite podcast. If the store is out of the food you want to prepare, think about the thrill or trying something. Third one, find humor in bad situations. Allow yourself experience humor in even to darkest or most trying situations. Remind yourself that this situation will probably make for a good story later and try to crack the joke about it. Fourth one, turn failure into lessons. You are not perfect. You are going to make mistakes and experience failure in multiple contexts, at multiple jobs, and with multiple people. Instead of focusing on how you fail, think about what you are going to do next time. Turn your fail into a lesson. Conceptualize this concrete rules. For example, you could come up with three new rules of managing projects as a result. Next, transform negative self talk into positive self talk. Negative self talk can creep up easily too, is often hard to notice. You might think, I am also so bad this, or I should not have tried that. But these thoughts turn into a internalized feeling and might cement your conceptions of yourself. When you catch yourself doing this, stop and replace those negative messages with positive one. For example, I am so bad at this becomes once I get more practice. I will be way better at this. I should not have tried becomes that did not work out as planned. Maybe next time. Next, focus on the present. Next, find positive friends, mentors, and co workers. When you surround yourself with positive people, you are hear positive outlooks, positive stories, and positive affirmations. These positive words will be synced and affects your own line of thinking, which then affects your words similarly contributes to group. Finding positive people to fill up your life can be difficult, but you need to eliminate this negatively your life before they consumes you. Do what you can do improve the positively of others and let their positively affects you the same way. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.